Hi, welcome to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Tesla admits full self-driving may cause crashes, recalls more than 360,000 cars. On February 15, 2023, the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration posted a notice that Tesla will recall 362,758 of its Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y vehicles, the entirety of its current lineup, from model years ranging between 2016 and 2023, and equipped with the full self-driving beta software suite. This driver assistance software, which is technically in beta, has been under investigation for years. NHTSA and Tesla have determined that the system allows a vehicle to exceed speed limits or travel through intersections in an unlawful or unpredictable manner, increases the risk of a crash. Tesla says the fix will be an over-the-air update, which will be available free to owners. The letters are expected to be sent to owners starting on April 15, 2023. This is a breaking story and will be updated as additional details are made available. Tesla CEO Elon Musk responded in a tweet debating the definition of a recall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.